Hello, welcome to my unboxing and review of the BearWare weather station or indoor weather station called WDP 303456. This one is a very nice looking, stylish indoor weather station, which comes packaged with a sensor, so you can actually watch your weather or your time or all kinds of useful information regarding your surroundings or your actual weather. And yeah, this will replace my current clock. And one thing this particular model has is it comes in 256 colors. It has a 256 color palette, so if you want to display it in blue, you can make it that, or green, or yellow, or 200 or it says here rainbow in 8 colors. So yeah, I will show you the content real quick. Got this one here over Amazon in Germany. Cost me around 30 euro, which is a real good price for this kind of device. Here is the manual for it. Well, so what else? This is like the outer sensor. You put this one onto your balcony or on a place where you can hook it up to your wall socket. It comes with, or you should use 2 AA 1.5 volt batteries for this one. I have it right here. Let me put it real quick. You put in like that. And here you can select the channel. Then you close it. And now you place this device somewhere covered, not in direct sunlight, on your balcony, and it will emit data to your BearWare device. So what else do we got here? Oh yeah, so this is your adapter to plug into your socket. We'll plug this one into my extension, and then let's see if you can get some electricity to power on the device. Alright, haven't done an unboxing video in a very long time, guys, so yeah. I'm back. Life got a little bit busy at my end. You know how it works. So this one plugs into your wall socket. Put it right here. Alright. Okay. And now that we have power, let's see. And of course, you got the weather station itself. Alright, let's see. Comes in this bubble wrap. I must say it's very good looking and very nice. Let's plug it into, as you can see, you can use it as a watch as well. Here you can swap the color with this wheel over here. See, we'll test it in a bit. Looks like that. Very beautiful, very good design, very nice design. Oh, I think there is a battery inside there. Oh, we have to remove that one. Well, you will just get a coin and then flip it over. Well, back here you have your rainbow setting, outdoor temperature, a minus, a channel, alarm, time, and the sensor. Here you have Celsius or Fahrenheit, and I believe it's like high, low, and off. Okay, let's plug it into the adapter and see how it looks, because I believe you guys are more interested in how it looks. Alright, you just take this end over here and plug it in. There you go. Oh, it looks very beautiful. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks very awesome. And as you can see, it changes color. I can turn this wheel and it will change color. You can go all the way, like 256 colors in total. And it will communicate with this device over here, and it will show you the day, the time, of course, then the temperature outside and inside, and yeah, and it functions as a alarm clock. I must say I'm impressed. It's very nice. Let's see what happens if I press the rainbow button. All right. So you can basically select your color. It switches from like 8 colors, like green, blue, dark blue. Oh, and it already set the time automatically. Wow. Wow, that's very nice. That's very, very nice. I didn't do anything and it shows the current time. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Love it. Show you all the colors. Beautiful. Wow, I'm impressed. So this is my review, or was my review, for the BearWare weather station WDP. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. This is a very nice looking, very stylish weather station. And I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye bye.